This is an unboxing and first look of the Sony Xperia Sola, which is an Android smartphone. This is the box. Never been opened yet, so that's why this is an unboxing. Let's open up these flaps here. You're presented with a Sony charger, earbuds, the Sony Xperia Sola phone itself, a couple of NFC smart tags, introduction guide. This one is apparently Italian. And these are all probably other languages. French, German, and that's pretty much it. And the declaration of conformity right there. And this is where a SIM card would be. Sorry about that. But there is none in this case because I have a SIM card from my old phone. But I will not be showing that on the video because I am filming with the phone that has the SIM card in it. Okay, so let's get it out of the plastic packaging. Let's do this carefully. There you go. So it has some instructions on it on what to do. So apparently before turning it on, they want you to charge it for at least 30 minutes. And insert the SIM in the back. So the back will just pop up like so. And I should be able to get it out. Okay. So on the inside of the back side of the phone, we've got the micro SD slot right there. The camera is over here with the flash on top, with a microphone there. This is the non-removable battery. Never attempt to take one of these out. Here's where the SIM goes, and that covers the back. So in the front we have the Xperia logo with an LED back there, and the screen, which is supposedly a 3.5-inch screen with no front-facing camera, but this is a status LED. Here are your regular buttons for back, home, and options. It's a glossy screen, but it looks nice. So yeah, that's the first look of the Xperia Sola. I'm actually going to plug it in, boot it up, and see what happens. Okay, the phone has had some time to charge. It's time to turn it on. First of all, it might be a good idea to put the cover back on. Just an idea. Let me do this right. Let's try to break the phone on the first attempt. That would be a waste, since phones are expensive. Okay, felt the vibration. We have the Sony logo. It will soon commence booting into Android. Presumably Android 4 ice cream sandwich. And it's done. Okay, we have 15 minutes before it will auto shut down because there is no SIM in it. Okay, let's see. Look at all these languages here. I'll have to scroll through a bit for my own language, which is there. This phone supposedly has the technology called floating touch, which I will see if I can I'm not touching the screen right now, yet this is all revolving around me. Really honestly, here, I'm not touching it, and it's moving. That's kind of cool. Okay, let's go to the app menu, settings. Let's see, let's go down here, about phone. Oh, it's still running Android 2.3.7. Okay, so I'll have to update it, because this thing has an update to 4.0, which I will be installing on this. But this is kind of cool. It's kind of gimmicky, really. I like it. So Sony's really given this their own skin, because 2.3 really looks a hell of a lot different on my Samsung Galaxy S that I will be discarding soon. So yeah, this is looking good. Got some nice default apps, even a Google Plus app, even though barely anyone uses Google Plus. At least I don't know anyone who really does. Clock, stopwatch, Google search, whatever. It's all pretty basic, pretty standard. But this thing is looking alright. So yeah. So this is the power button on this side here. On the other side we have the USB, volume controls, and this is the camera shutter button. That pretty much covers my first look and unboxing of the Sony Xperia Sola Android smartphone. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I thank you for watching.